Hey, welcome back to your favorite channel Short Guys, and in this video I will show you how to check watch history on Instagram. So let's check it, how you can how you can check your Instagram history. Open the Instagram application, go to your profile by typing the profile icon, then tap the three lines on top right, and here you have the possibility just going to your activity, then open the your activity, and in this section you can see each of your activity, every likes, comments, notes, tags, everything you have been doing for the last period of some time on the Instagram. And even if you want to check the search history, so what you have been searching for on Instagram, then just scroll down and tap the recent searches, and you can see my recent searches, what I have been looking for on Instagram. You probably will have much more search history than I, and you can clear all the history just by tapping clear all. Yes, clear all. Also, you can check all your content that you have been shared, reels, posts, what you have liked, and even if you want to store this information, you can download your information, and you will receive email with all of this information to your phone or to your email address on your computer. So yeah, this is how you can check your Instagram history. I hope that this helps you, and if it helps you this video, please just consider to subscribe to my channel. It will help me to grow it. Thank you. Bye.